Exec Tower, Star 7.
Star 7 Tower.
Getting reports of a helicopter crash, Highway 50 and Howe Avenue. You have any info?
Helicopter crash?
Yeah, there's also, might have been a medevac there, so they might just be completely confusing it. Did you have somebody land there recently?
Negative. I had one depart.
Okay. If that was reach 17, or which one departed?
I want to say it was reach 5.
Okay. I don't know where they're from. We're almost there. We're going to take a look. I'll let you know. Star 7, we're going on station. It's just north of the Med Center. Be looking.
Star 7, then you said they're okay?
No idea yet. We don't have any confirmation on anything. Just yeah, there's a plume of smoke though. Star 7, yes, this is EC 135 down. It's in the middle of the freeway. We're getting medical to them immediately.
Star 7.
It looks red out the window. It's got a fenestraton, so that might have been them.
Star 7.
Tower, Star 7.
Star 7 Tower.
Yeah, its transponder just popped back on. It is reach 5. Ambulances are here. They're working on them.
Reach 5, run 6.
They just radioed everybody's still alive in the thing.
Roger, goodness.
Sorry, I got multiple radios going. Sorry. They just radioed said everybody's alive in it for now.
Roger, thanks.
Executive Tower, check 276. Is there any chance we could get the 10 lap steer?
That was not a good time, dude.